Hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in. You are watching The Lori Show. Hello, my positive peeps. This is Lori, your positivity princess. Welcome. For the entire month of August, I've been teaching the daily Law of Attraction crash course lessons for beginners. If you loved it, click the thumbs up. If you don't even know what the heck it is, click the thumbs up anyway, because trust me, you want to. This is bittersweet. It's the last day. Click here to start at day 1 at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes long so that we can be mindful of your time. And we all have tons to do, I know. For a full recap, I'm going to tell you right now, I attempted to cover as many topics that will help you become a person who is confident in your ability to manifest your desires. I started by telling you what the law of attraction is and how you are made up of energy. I talked about the laws that govern that energy. We talked about the thought loop, why you need to feel good, how to raise your vibration, and why you need to live in a loving way. All this stuff. We discussed ask, believe, receive, that 3-step process. Why is it important to know what you want? Like, it's vital. We talked about the statement of desire and making a vision board. We talked about step 2, which is feeling. Feeling is so important. Transmutation of energy, the focus wheel, the method of scripting. We went through 2 different visualization methods. Signs and synchronicities in your life and how to follow them and listen to them. Kindness, inspired action, and good habits. We discussed limiting beliefs, and then there was the cheat sheet. Let me take a breath. That was a lot. First, I want you to bask in the feeling of finishing something. You will feel a sense of pleasure in 2 ways. Number 1, a physical sense of pleasure of either happiness or even pride in the idea of finishing something. Maybe you feel relief that it's over. I hope not. But either way, it's a positive sensation at the end of the day. Another sensation is part of a small adrenaline rush that you may feel when completing something, kind of like a little celebration in your body. This may be paired with a dopamine feel-good kick that you will experience as well. The second sensation of pleasure that you get from finishing something is spiritual in nature or non-physical. So your vibration changes in a positive way. This is due to positive feelings, and we know this from the beginning. These are both great sensations to experience, and I want you to consolidate this learning and feeling of completion by answering these 5 questions for yourself. So, what would be a course without an exam? I'm just kidding, no exam, but either way, you can post your answers in the comments or email to me or just keep them for yourself. The answers to these questions will show you just how much you understand the law of attraction and how the universe really works. You know more than you think. Demonstrate to yourself that you are a master at manifesting and that it's important, as this will lead you to success, which of course attracts and breeds more success. Between each question, you may want to pause the video to write your answer. Okay, so here we go. Here are the 5 questions. Number 1, what is the law of attraction? Please use your own words. Number 2, what are 3 methods that you like to use to manifest? Number 3, what is a limiting belief? Important. Number 4, why is it important to feel good? And number 5, what are 3 ways that I can raise my vibration? If you can answer these 5 questions, then you have a good solid understanding of the law of attraction. If you can't answer these 5 questions, give it a try anyway. Well, when you're done, click in the link below. There's a certificate for you. It really doesn't certify you in anything, but it's fun. And I love you, and I want you to get something for your efforts. Okay, that is it for this lesson. I'll be hosting weekly live law of attraction tutorials all through September. This will be every Monday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. I will be live, I'll teach a lesson, do a technique live with you, and then answer any questions that you have. I think that continued learning is super important. So please comment below topics that you would like for me to cover, okay? I'm very mindful of what you guys want. Okay, my most beautiful, intelligent, wonderful, successful students, thank you so much for watching this and for coming to class today. I will be coming to you with a lot more content. from the law of attraction, from positivity, and spirituality. So don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe button and click that bell notification so you don't miss the next video. Or the next lesson, let's keep with that. Have a most glorious day and I love you, and be positive.